Good morning. My name is Darbandia Radhika. I am from TYBPT. My topic is types of anesthesia. Definition of anesthesia. Anesthesia is literally means no sensation. Anesthesia is Greek word. Types of anesthesia. Mainly four types of anesthesia: local anesthesia, regional anesthesia, monitored anesthesia, and general anesthesia. First, local anesthesia. Loss of sensory perception over a small area of the body. Mechanism of action is reversibly blocking sodium channel to prevent depolarization. Anesthetic enter on exoplasmic side and attach to receptor in middle of channel. Regional anesthesia. This is loss of sensation over a specific region of the body. For example, lower trunk. Mainly use pregnancy and lower trunk surgery. Monitored anesthesia care. Consciousness, sedation, and observation and management of complication. General anesthesia. This is use of mainly loss of sensory perception of the entire body. Component of general anesthesia: unconsciousness, analgesia, amnesia, anxiolysis, areflexia, attenuation of autonomic response to painful stimuli. Thank you.